The Arlington Street Bridge was constructed in 1912, and it's a significant structure for this community. It really connects the north and south community around the CPR yards and is the main mode of transportation for these communities. Stantec is completing a climbing inspection of the Arlington Street Bridge, not only to determine the overall condition of the structure, but to identify any areas that require immediate repair to ensure public safety. Stantec climbing inspectors are actually professionally trained as climbers, but they're also bridge engineers and bridge inspectors. So when you put those skills together, it really allows us to look at the critical items of the structure efficiently to ensure we're protecting the public and addressing all the concerns of that structure.
A visual inspection. It's to the Ontario Structure Inspection Manual, which has kind of become the inspection standard in Canada. For all provinces from Saskatchewan to the east. So first and foremost, the thing that we do is we look for defects that are going to affect public safety, and then we follow up and take a look at defects that are going to affect serviceability and items that the City of Winnipeg is going to have to maintain.
We're doing a climbing inspection today, and as opposed to doing using man lift equipment or aerial work platform equipment, you can get more of a hands-on, closer look at the structure when we're actually up there inspecting it. You're basically physically touching each element. You're looking very close, call it within a couple feet of the element that you're actually on, so you just get a better inspection. And there's limitations to aerial work platform equipment as well. Obviously, you'd take up a traffic lane, so we'd have to shut the bridge down. Where we can do all this without shutting down any traffic, no disruption to traffic whatsoever. And you can kind of get your head up into some of the tighter spots too that you might not be able to get the equipment into. The baskets are certain sizes, so there's limitations to where they can go. We're climbing. Basically, if you can get to it, you can inspect it. You can almost access an entire bridge by doing climbing.
Stantec feels very privileged to work on this assignment. The Arlington Street Bridge is an iconic structure for the City of Winnipeg, and it's a unique feeling to work on a structure that's over 100 years old and transition the neighborhood from the past to the present and to the future with the replacement of the Arlington Street Bridge.